y'all look really pretty and cute.
$377 USD per person. Yeah, we don't need that. We don't need the picture. We got our phones.
Can you see y'all? We out here. We at the beach. Well, just to stop and take pictures. Yeah, it is a little warm, but it's so nice. It's so nice. And look at this. Oh my God. At least we were able to stop at the beach. We weren't able to like go to like swim and have time at the beach, but I mean we could tomorrow. But everybody wants to go to the mall, and I do too. So that's the plan.
How far you have to go?
Way down there.
Ready?
Yeah.
Anybody wants to take a picture? Somebody's taking a picture?
Yes.
Ooh, the horses got booty holes.
Oh my God.
Good. I didn't.
Only you would recognize that, bro.
So you were good.
And now we have got to the Palm Jumeirah. Palm Jumeirah is like a palm tree sleeping on the waters of Jumeirah, on the Persian Gulf. It has 39 rooms.
Wow.
They have their own water park which is called Aquaventure, which has sharks and dolphins. So people living at the Atlantis have access to the aquarium, have access to the water park.
Yeah, we on that one back there. We on the Lotus.
God is good.
God is good. God is good, y'all. This way, guys. Why you snatch the stuff out of me? This is my boarding pass. We finna be out here. And a chicken burger.
Oh, we got it with our hands.
Yep.
They finna kick that boy.
It was at the end.
I'm ready to see my girlfriend.
I'm ready to see my
Nobody
boyfriend.
cares. It's been a week.
But you can say you miss yours. I can't say I miss mine. Cruise.
Anywhere like that for that cheap.
Come on, Ernie. We out here, y'all. We out here. Look. We haven't started moving yet, but we finna to.
It's hotter than a bitch out here, y'all. It's like this 2 hours and 30 minute job.
Alright, so not gonna lie, I was definitely a little scared when I was on that boat because, the only thoughts that was low-key going through my mind was, Titanic and, darkness over the ocean and stuff. But other than that, it was definitely just fine and okay. I didn't get no motion sickness. I had fun with my family and the group that I was with. Took lots and lots of pictures and videos with each other. And of course they had some entertainment going on with these dancers. It was very entertaining. I can definitely say they were very engaging with the crowd as well, so I really liked that. And then another belly dancer experience that we had, she was okay.
Did you see that video, mommy?
Motherfuckers!
20 years. 20 years. Yeah. 20.
My overall experience of the yacht party was absolutely amazing. I loved the vibe, the people that were there, the music, the food, everything was just such a good experience. This is something I would definitely do again. I had so much fun with the people I was with and my family. It made a lot of nice memories.